Hello everyone, I want to start today by asking you a question. How long have you been learning English? For many of you, it's been years. You've taken the classes, you've bought the books, and you've scrolled through 1,000 tips online. But if I asked you to stand up right now and give a speech, would you freeze? Most people spend their lives waiting for a moment of readiness that never actually comes. They are waiting for a day when their fear disappears and the words magically flow. But here is the hard truth. Perfection is a trap. It is a wall that keeps you silent. If you want to change your life and finally find your voice, you don't need another year of passive study. You need 30 days of total obsession. The 30-day shift, why 1 month? You might wonder, is 30 days really enough time? My answer is, it is the only amount of time that matters. You see, 30 days is the Goldilocks zone of human habit. It's long enough to see real, measurable progress, but short enough that you can maintain a high level of intensity without burning out. 1 month won't make you a Shakespearean scholar, but it is exactly enough time to rewire your nervous system. It is the window where your brain stops seeing English as a foreign threat and starts seeing it as a tool for survival. In these 30 days, we aren't just learning vocabulary. We are changing your identity from someone who studies English to someone who speaks it. Step 1. Radical clarity, the power of the target. The first step to a total transformation is clarity. Most learners fail because their goals are a fog. They say, I want to be fluent, but what does that even mean? Fluency is a ghost. You can never quite catch it. Vague goals lead to vague results. In this 30-day sprint, you must define exactly what winning looks like. You need a target so sharp it scares you. Is it the ability to lead a 10-minute meeting at work? Is it making a new friend in an English-speaking community? Is it recording a video of yourself and being proud of the result? When I started my journey, I didn't try to learn the whole dictionary. I focused on the specific language I needed for my destination. Clarity is power. When your goal is specific, your brain knows exactly where to put its energy. Don't just study English, study the result you want to achieve. Step 2. Total immersion, the no-exit strategy. You cannot change your life by doing something sometimes. A language is not a school subject. It is an environment. If you want to master English in 30 days, you must build a fortress around yourself. You must close the exit doors to your native language. Your digital world. Change your phone, your laptop, and your GPS to English. It will be frustrating for the first 3 days. On day 4, it will become your new normal. Your audio world. Stop listening to the radio or music in your native tongue while you drive or cook. Your ears must be bathed in the rhythm, the cadence, and the sounds of English, even if you don't understand 50% of it yet. Your internal world. Start narrating your life. When you wash the dishes, say it. I am washing the dishes. It sounds simple, but you are teaching your brain to bypass the translation phase and go straight to the thought phase. 1 month of total, uncompromising immersion is worth more than 3 years of casual interest. You aren't just studying the change, you are living it. Step 3. The courage to be bad, breaking the ego. The biggest barrier to your growth isn't your grammar, it's your pride. We are so afraid of looking foolish that we choose to stay silent. But silence is the enemy of progress. In your first 30 days, you will make mistakes. You will trip over your words. You will use the wrong tense. And that is exactly what success looks like. Every mistake is a piece of data. Every time you stumble and feel that heat of embarrassment in your chest, that is the feeling of your brain growing. The faster you fail, the faster you learn. If you want to reach the stage of a master, you must first be willing to be the fool. Time is too short to wait for perfection. Every broken sentence in these 30 days is a vital stepping stone to a fluent one. Step 4. The daily speaking challenge, building muscle. Consistency is the fuel of transformation. Knowledge in your head is useless if it cannot reach your mouth. This is why you must implement the daily challenge. Push yourself every single day to do one thing that makes your heart race. The 2-minute video, every night, record yourself talking about your day. Don't show it to anyone if you don't want to, but watch it. Observe your progress, the out loud rule, never read silently. If you see an English article or a social media post, read it out loud. Train your jaw, your tongue, and your throat to produce these new sounds. The live connection, join a voice chat or call a friend, force the output. Small, daily victories build massive momentum. By the time you hit day 20, the things that felt like a mountain on day 1 will feel like a molehill. Step 5. Ruthless focus protecting your energy. In a 30-day sprint, every hour is a currency. You must be ruthless. Avoid the noise, the mindless scrolling, the people who drain your energy, and the distractions that don't serve your goal. High-intensity focus for 1 hour is more effective than 6 hours of passive study while you're checking your phone. When you are focused, you can achieve in for weeks what most people achieve in for months. The finish line, a new identity. As you approach the end of these 30 days, a shift will happen. You'll realize the mountain wasn't actually that high. You aren't just someone who knows more words. You are a different person. You have proven to yourself that you can do hard things. You have broken the habit of waiting. You have rewired your brain. After 30 days, the momentum is so strong that stopping would be harder than continuing. The call to action: the world doesn't wait for those who hesitate. It doesn't reward those who stay in the planning phase forever. The world belongs to the brave, to those who are willing to be bad at something until they are good at it. Your 30 days start the moment this video ends. If you are ready to stop learning and start speaking, I want you to comment day 1 below. Let's build a community of doers. Like this video if you're ready for the challenge, and subscribe to join us on this journey. Your time is now. I'll see you at the finish line.